Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about some happy mail I got from a good friend of mine. So I'm outside, so you probably hear outside noises like lawnmowers. Sorry about that, but anyway, today I'm going to be opening a package that I received from a really good friend of mine, and she's an old college roommate. She's actually from my hometown area, and her fiance were on the beach the other day, and she said she picked up some stuff for me and came in the mail today. So let's see what's in here. All right, Terry and Bill. That's my husband. That's interesting. Let me unwrap this and I'll come back. So I was hoping this is what it was. It's actually a wedding announcement. I was just thinking about that today, wondering if I was going to get one, so I was excited about that. All right, I have not opened this. That's all I've seen. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, some really nice looking things here. Let me sort them out. Okay, let me look at this first one. This is a really nice piece. It's very tumbled. I love the colors in there. It is really, really pretty. All right, let's go through these. That's really pretty. These are very old, I can tell. They've been out tumbling in the ocean for many, many, many years. Oh, this is really pretty. Kind of a pinky color. This here looks like part of a scallop. I love scallops. And I love fragments. A lot of people just overlook the fragments, but they are really pretty. And these would make nice pendants for a necklace. Or I've been making boho beads lately. They make a really nice dangle off of a boho bead. Quite a few olives. Oop, they got holes in them too. That'd make a nice necklace. Oh, there's some shells in there. Huh. Look at all these olives. They're very nice. Some of them have holes in them. See this one. This one, it's got some kind of gold tint to it. On the other side, we're looking at some purple. Again, tumbled quite a bit. So these are old. That's pretty. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that would make a fun piece. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with these. I have a feeling a lawnmower is coming my direction. I heard it crank up. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at that one. That is beautiful. Thanks, Marisa. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. I appreciate you thinking of me. So now that I have all these really pretty shells, I'm kind of looking around, trying to figure out what I want to make. I'm going to pick something out here. I know that one right there. My friend wants me to wrap it up, and I will do that at a later time. But right now, I actually want to make something. So if it was you, which shell would you pick, and what would you make with it? So I've picked out these 4 olive shells. All of them have holes in them. Ooh, little shell fragments there. Anyway, I'm going to, well, I'll surprise you. I'll be right back and show you what I do with these. All right, so what I did was I took some 22 gauge silver tone wire and put it through the hole, and then just wired some loops so we have links. So I could take some jump rings and just hook them together. But of course, we're gonna have to add some beads and bling to it. So I've laid them out. I'm actually gonna make a boho dangle, unless I change my mind. But I've laid them out from largest at the bottom to smallest. And I think I want to use some blue beads. And I'm thinking, you know how the ocean, when you look out to sea, you can see the different colors of the ocean. You'll have light blues and kind of those teals and the darker blues. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here, the different colors of the ocean. I could just do these. As much as I like the idea of these, I think I like the look of these much better. I think I'm going to use bead caps on these, and you know, since I'm using silver wire, you think maybe silver. But I'm thinking I might want to mix my metals, and maybe I can use some of these antique brass colors. I just kind of laid it out. There's the silver. I'm not for sure I like those. I think they're too dark. Those are okay. I think we're gonna go with the silver. Now I also have these sea turtle links, and they're green. Thinking about maybe hanging him down below, but I still have a loop there. Could hang him up here. I could just not use them at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wire these up. So I got it all how I want it. Just need to get some jump rings and put it all together. I messed up on this though. I wasn't thinking this through. I should have put a bead cap on there, but I didn't. So, and I think I may add a little bit of something to this guy. This wasn't the last olive that I had left in all these olives my friend had sent me, and had a big giant hole at the top. And I was trying to cover that up, but I have an idea. I hope it's gonna work. I just need to get me some hemp. But I did not put a loop at the bottom there. I just brought the wire up and tightened it, twisted it up, made a loop at the top, and this is gonna be the bottom dangle. Let me go get some hoop or hemp and try to figure out if my idea will work or not. All right, it did work. Love to use hemp like this in a lot of my pieces. Just wrapped it around. We have a little bit of interest here with these shells sticking out of this little crevice, and the wire wrapped around the bead. In the front, we have a little bit of interest with this squiggly thing here. And then to the side, I just I tied some hemp, put some knots in it, and frayed the ends there. So this is going to be our bottom dangle. I was going to use this guy, but I just think he's too small. I don't know, he may work up there. We'll see. Well, let me put this together, and I'll be back to show you what the finished product looks like. I'm all finished, and yes, I did add him to it. We have a big, a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller, and he's even a little bit smaller, so I think it works well. I'm gonna keep this for myself, and now I've gotta figure out a place to hang it. I know exactly where I'm going to hang it. It's on a little skinny wall, but I can't do any hammering right now because I have little ones that are asleep. So I'm gonna take some pictures of this, and I'll put it at the end of the video, and let me know what you think of my beaded boho little shell dangle here. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.